welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be making watermelon pizza. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so we have another super simple recipe here today, just kind of umphing up our watermelon a little bit. So you can do this in a couple different ways. You're just going to want to make sure that your pizza or your watermelon slice is about an inch thick. You can do it a little bigger, a little smaller. You just want to make sure it's a nice bite-sized piece, but that it's not super thin where everything's going to be like falling apart a little bit. So you can either kind of slice your watermelon right down the middle and make a slice that way, but like who really slices their watermelon like that? So you can do that. But what I did is I just took like a quarter of one and then I just cut the triangles off of that and then just put 4 pieces together just like that, and that way they're already cut for you anyway. So that's all we're going to do. Now, this you can customize however you want, just like every other recipe. But here, the fruit that I chose were strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. I used some mint here. You can use whatever you want. And then we have our cream cheese. Now, I just took the cream cheese, made sure it was a little bit softened, and then I just took a hand mixer and just whipped that up a little bit so it's way easier to work with. And then we have some granola and some honey. You guys can use whatever kind of granola you want. You can omit it. You can use oats. You can use maple syrup. Whatever it is that you guys want. You can use ricotta cheese instead of the cream cheese. Totally up to you guys. Alright, so there's really no prep to this at all. I mean, I did cut the strawberries a little bit and then obviously the watermelon, but that's literally it. So all we're going to do is just start decorating our pizza, if you will. So I'm just going to take our cream cheese first, just like as our base, just with a little mini spatula, and just kind of brush that on here and then start adding in our toppings. Okay, so just move that out of the way. All of our layers are done. Now you can make the cream cheese layer as thick or as thin as you want it, just don't go too crazy. So then next, what we're going to do is just start adding in our toppings. So you can do a design, you can do whatever it is that you guys want. I think I'm just going to kind of line the top with the strawberries here, and then maybe put some blueberries in between. We'll figure it out. This is another recipe, like I say with some of the other ones on my channel, that you can kind of get the little ones involved. This is super easy for them just to play and figure out different colors, and you can teach them along the way, and there's nothing that they can mess up here. So you can even have them do this while you're prepping something else. And I know Memorial Day just passed, but this would have been a nice little treat. We have our little red, white, and blue. Okay, so we're just going to sprinkle on some granola. You can use whatever granola you guys want. Just sprinkle it all around. Okay, and then we're just going to take some honey, maple syrup. This is optional, but we're just going to drizzle it right on top, just a little bit. Okay, and then you can just use some mint for a garnish, or you can rip it up and put it on top, but that's literally it, you guys. So I'm just going to assemble this and then I'll show you. Alright guys, so this is what we're looking like. How good does that look? You can make a million of these. You can even probably make a salad out of this and just use the watermelon and the fruit and whatever. Maybe I'm going to make a salad next. Maybe I'm just going to have a little watermelon series on my channel because I have a lot of watermelon now and I got to figure out ways to use it. So without further ado, let me try one. Come on, look how cute that is. Oh, hold on. That is so good, you guys. I've never had cream cheese or anything like that on my watermelon before, but so good. And I love the honey with the granola too, but then you have all that sweetness from the fruit. You guys have to try this one at home and definitely let me know what you guys think. This is super fun, super colorful, definitely great for the summer. It's coming up. It's been so nice out. I can't wait to like do so many fun things with watermelon. But that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. And share these videos. I don't pay for ads or anything like that. So if you got value out of this, or if you just think it looks delicious, or you know somebody that likes watermelon, or you're like me and you have a million group chats that you send different recipes and food all the time, then definitely make sure to share this with one of your friends. And as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. And I'm taking this boy with me.